Okay, so some of you still have to migrate your documents onto OneDrive, and I found an easier way to do that. Since you're not going to be working from OneDrive, you're just going to be putting stuff up there to save it until you get to your new computer, and then you're going to download it again. So in order to do that, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to compress our folders. We are going to zip them up. So what you're going to do is first have all of your documents in one location, whether it's My Documents, whether it's on the desktop like I have my mess, um, any of those things will work. It doesn't make a bit of difference. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the things that you want to zip up. You can zip tons of things up. So we'll do that. You then press with two fingers the mouse pad, so two finger click. So just over one of the icons, two finger click is one way of doing it, or press Control and one finger click. Doesn't matter, it does the exact same thing. You're then going to go to compress items. It says how many items. It'll say a different number for you if you've got a different number. Just click on it. May take a little while. It'll tell you how long. For me, it's going to take way too long, but we're going to let it do its thing, and I'm going to get us into OneDrive while we're waiting. So we bring up Chrome or Safari or Firefox, whatever you're using, and we're going to go to Office 365 Online. The best way to do that is simply to put in Passco, Office 365. I've searched it a bunch of times. It's the very first one. Click it. Scroll up. It's the second one. Click it. The web app. And it's going to take you to your sign-on. You're going to, if it's your first time, you're going to have to sign on with your full email address and then your password to get onto your computer. So mine is like 2 letters, 2 numbers, 2 letters, 3 numbers. It shouldn't be anything else. If you're having trouble getting on, you're using the wrong password. The password is going to be the same one you initially got with your computer. So we're going to click sign in. And now we're going to be in our email. We don't want to be in the email, we want to be in OneDrive, so you go over to this box and we're going to click OneDrive. Now we're in OneDrive. It's simply a place to hold files and folders. So what we're going to do is check on our zipping, and that's taking way too long, but we'll just let it do it anyway. Bring this back up. So say you're all zipped up. There's 2 ways of getting our zip file up here. The first one is to go to Files and Upload. Click it. I have mine on desktop, so I'm going to go there. We're just going to pick this zip file. It's just another zip file that I used. You'll pick the one that you have zipped up. So we click on that one once to make it blue and then click open. You'll then see it says uploading item. You can see the progress. Yours will probably be much larger than that. It'll take a longer period of time. When you are doing this, if it's taking a long period of time, make sure your computer does not go into sleep mode. Make sure you're plugged in. Make sure that you keep up, because if it's not plugged in and goes into sleep mode, it may shut off the Wi-Fi and you won't be continually uploading. So make sure you do that. All right, the other way that we can do this is we kind of shift the computer over to the side and you can drag and drop. So here's another archive that I made. Click on it and hold the button down, and then with another finger just drag it in and let go. As you can see, the exact same thing is happening. This is a much bigger file. It's 2.37 gig. So you have to let it sit and let it do its thing. It takes a while. Allow it to take its entire time. Again, don't be unplugged. Don't allow it to go to sleep. And you'll get all of your documents uploaded to OneDrive. If you want to then download those documents and open them, you can see we've got our zip file that I just put. Put a check mark in there. Click download. Leave this page. It's going to download it to wherever your downloads are. Since I'm in Chrome, it has the special downloads page. So I'm going to show in Finder. Here's my zip file. Double click it. Let it do its thing. We now have the folder sitting right here in the exact same spot with the same things that I had in there. So you can unzip it onto your desktop, onto wherever you're doing, and you will be good. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you need help, please let me know. Remember, all of your technology is due to me on Thursday by noon. Thursday at noon. Thank you very much, and let me know if you need help.